mga quiz mga atis, welcome back sa akin channel. This is Quiz Alan at ngayong araw papanoorin natin yung performance ng isang Japanese dance group na may pangalan na Avant-Garde. So, very popular sila sa TikTok and ito nga, umabot sila ng America's Got Talent 2023 final. So, papanoorin natin yung final performance nila at tingnan natin kung how they perform this final. So with no further ado, let's watch the video and later I'll be giving my reaction and opinion on the said video. So let's go! Okay, ito yung napanood natin performance ng Avant-Garde na isang Japanese dance group na sumikat sa TikTok at naidala sa America's Got Talent 2023 and napanood natin yung final performance nila and wow, ang galing-galing talaga ng performance nila from audition to final. Talagang they proved na sila yung one of the best performers ng edition na to ng America's Got Talent and kung ano yung napanood ko doon sa TikTok, they are better here dito sa America's Got Talent and because sa TikTok medyo limited yung mga performance nila dito but this one, they are bigger in numbers and they have bigger stage to perform and ang galing-galing ng performance. Ang isang bagay dyan ang pinagusto ko dito yung synchronicity, yung sabay-sabay sila sa mga ganun, sa mga form and they form, nakakatawa yung mga movement nila, they form something and yung swabing mga galaw nila, diba? Ang ganda. And ang isa ko napansin ko dito, even though there are many parts of the performance na parang nagpapakwela sila, pero hindi mo mapapansin because mas lamang yung performance nila na yung synchronize. Yun ang nagpapaangasan nila kahit ba, diba? Kahit pa pa-community yung mga ilang parts, yung ilang member ng part, pero hindi mo mapapansin yun because mas focus ka doon sa synchronized na movement ng mga dancers and ang galing. Actually, maiko-compare ko tong performance nila to sa isang Indian performance na napanood ko to sa I forgot the title, yung isang dance competition sa TV na isa sa mga judges si J-Lo o si Jennifer Lopez and that The Kings ata yun, The Kings yung pangalan ng Indian dance group yun. Ang galing rin, ganito yung kahusay. Pero they are not more on the synchronicity, but they are more the, yung para siyang interpretative, diba? So, yun. Actually, pareho silang interpretative naman eh. So, ang kaibahan nila dito, it's more of synchronized movement dito sa Avant-Garde. And And alam naman natin, ganito yung mga kanito klaseng style na mga performance ang meron sa mga Japanese eh. They love doing this kind of performance, yung parang yung believable ga, yung simpleng movement nila will believe you na na ito yung gusto nilang pakita, diba? So we saw that in many performance already, diba? Marami na rin ang unang po na videos ng mga Japanese doing some things like ganito, synchronized, diba? So yun, ang galing-galing. So deserve nila makaabot ng finals itong Avant-Garde. So I have no idea kung they won or what their place sa finals, pero still as an Asian, I'm very proud of this group because they showcase the talent, the culture, of Asia, especially of Japanese culture, diba? So nabihira makita sa US because alam mo, it's Americanized, they have different culture compared sa Japanese. So yun, congrats to Avant-Garde. It was a very very good performance and I love it so much. And ako kasi I'm a frustrated dancer and watching this kind of performance nakakaingit para sa akin, diba? So yun, congrats. So kayo mga quiz mga atis, ano masasabi niyo sa naging performance ng Avant-Garde? Are you satisfied? Are you happy? Overwhelmed? So mag-comment kayo dito sa comment section at kung dun naman sa reaction at opinion ko, nag-locking na ako doon, nag-lagging pala. Kung nagustuhan nyo naman binigay kong reaction at opinion ko, mag-comment din kayo dito sa comment section ko and I will try to read all your comments and try to reply or mag-react back sa mga comments nyo. There you go. Before I end this video, please don't forget these 4 things while watching my videos on my channel. Comment, like, share, and subscribe to my channels. Ang Pinoy Talaga channel, Pinoy Talaga channel, proudly from the Grab, proudly from TTV, The Alas King Show, at Tamad Lang People Presents. So maraming salamat, have a nice day and bye bye. Thank you.